Once upon a time, there was a PC case that could hold some of the largest graphics cards on the market. A case that could hold a liquid cooler and loads of storage. A case that had a window so you could just stare at those stunning RGB lights all day long while the invisible airflow passed by in all its glory. Imagine a case so unique that even Santa would be jealous, because Santa didn't own a 3D printer. But maybe you do, because this case can be yours and you can download the files for free by checking out the full video on my channel.